Alright, so first you're going to go up to the top left and click Edit or File, New Map, 100 by 100. So then you will take the grass and dirt tiles, you can select multiple, and then you click the little dice icon to randomize it, and then you hit the paint bucket icon, and then you can just make a entire grassy dirt landscape. Now that's going to be on its own layer. No collisions for the dirt or the cement. Here I'm making the cement concrete flooring for the buildings. Now the walls for those buildings are going to be inside the engine, so you don't need to worry about that, because the destructible walls are not on the tile set. Everything in the tile set is indestructible, pretty much. Now you may notice I'm doing all these floors on the walls layer. That was a complete mistake. I was thinking about some stuff. I just totally spaced out. So now I should have just copy and pasted it, which I did, but then I should not have deleted it manually. That was a waste of time, but here you can watch it happen at like 16 times speed. In total, this entire process took about 22 minutes precisely. So really not long, but here I'm making the roads. Now the roads don't have to be, I mean, these ones are 7 tiles wide. It doesn't have to be like that, but at least 7, I'd say. Sometimes bigger, sometimes less, just depends. And then you can see I'm using the middle tile for the middle dotted line. It doesn't have to be like that. You can add bike lanes, whatever. So here, those are brick walls. Those are indestructible. That's going to be like a special building, a garage. You're not going to be able to drive through or smash the walls on that one. That's going to be more protected. Now those are white curbs. We have white and yellow curbs. The curbs are in a separate layer because otherwise they kind of mess with the road texture. So now I'm going to put the sidewalks in the same layer as the curb. So in theory, the sidewalks, they can be removed outright, but I'm just copy and pasting it to make it a little easier. Now, that's pretty much it. So when you go to export this, it's going to be the ground, the cement, and the curbs and the bodies. That's all a non-collision layers. So you'll export all that as a single image, and then you hide all those layers, and then you export the walls as a separate image. And then that means the ground layer won't have collisions and the walls will have collision inside the engine editor.